Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 24. The first question is, according to Union Budget 2021-22, what will be the fiscal deficit for the year 2020-21? The answer is 9.5% of the GDP. Recently presented budget has suggested that for the financial year 2020-21, the fiscal deficit is going to be 9.5% of the GDP, and government has financed this budget through government borrowings, multilateral borrowings, small saving funds and short-term borrowings. For another 2 months, government will be needing 80,000 crore rupees, and government is going to approach the market for this amount to give the push to the economy, because for the COVID our economy has suffered. The government expenditure has increased to 34.83 lakh crore, and in this budget the capital expenditure is going to be 5.5 lakh crore. So that is very important point. For the next year, it means 2021 and 2022, the fiscal deficit is going to be 6.8% of the GDP. Earlier the government target was 3.5% of the GDP, that has increased to 9.5% of the GDP. We all know that because of COVID pandemic, our economy has hit hard and government has increased their spending to give push to the economy. So this is very important information. Please remember all the important facts. Educare 247 has multiple courses for RBI Grade B. We have comprehensive course, we have crash course, we have mentorship course for FM and ESI. You can use the coupon code RBI45 to get the discount of 45% on comprehensive course and mentorship course. According to your need, you can subscribe to the courses. The next question is, in the Union Budget 2021-22, how much is the disinvestment target for the financial year 2021-22? The answer is 1.75 lakh crores. In the budget 2021-22, government has targeted 1.75 lakh crore receipts from disinvestment. Government is going to disinvest BPCL, Air India, Shipping Corporation of India, Container Corporation of India, IDBI Bank, BEML, Pawan Hans, Nischal Ispat Nigam Limited. Government is going to launch the IPO of LIC in the year 2021-22. Process of this IPO has been already started. New policy for strategic disinvestment will be approved. Niti Aayog is going to work out for the list of public sector enterprises for strategic disinvestment. Government is going to launch a special purpose vehicle to monetize the idle land. This way government is going to generate 1.75 lakh crore. 2 public sector bank will be privatized. Government has not announced the name, and 1 general insurance, national general insurance company will be privatized. So these are the way government is going to generate the fund, because government need funds for spending. The next question is, in the Union Budget 2021-22, a central university has been proposed at which of the following place? The answer is Leh. In the budget, government has proposed to set up a central university in Leh for the accessible higher education in Ladakh. In the budget 2021-22, government proposes qualitative strengthening of 1500 schools to include all components of national education policy. Government has proposed to set up 100 new Sainik schools with the help of NGO and private schools. Government has proposed to set up a Higher Education Commission of India, and it will be an umbrella body for standard setting, accreditation, regulation and funding. This is the provision related to education. Please remember all the facts. It can be asked in your upcoming examination. The next question is, according to the Union Budget 2021-22, what is the total outlay of newly proposed National Research Foundation? The answer is 50,000 crores. In the budget, government has proposed a National Research Foundation, and the total outlay for this foundation will be 50,000 crore over the 5-year period. So that is important. To boost the overall research ecosystem in India, government has announced series of initiatives. Government has given 50-100 crore rupees to a scheme that will financially help to promote digital mode of payments and further boost the digital transaction. Government has announced a new initiative called National Language Translation Mission. It will digitize all the governance wealth and policy related knowledge on the internet, and it will be available in all major Indian languages. New Space India Limited, it is a PSU under Department of Space, and it will execute PSLV CS-51 launch. It will also help to launch smaller Indian satellites. So these are the initiatives which will help to boost R&D initiatives in the country. So please remember all the facts. It can be asked in your examination. The next question is, in the Union Budget 2021-22, how much money has been allocated to digital census? The answer is 3,768 crores. In the budget, government has given 3,768 crores for the first digital census in the history of India. The one pillar of the budget is minimum government, maximum governance. Under this, government has given some money for different initiatives. For ease of doing business, government has proposed to set up a conciliation mechanism and mandate. It will help in resolving the contractual dispute. It will instill the confidence in the private sectors and contractors. Government has also proposed National Nursing and Midwife Commission Bill. It will improve the transparency, efficiency and governance in nursing profession. So that is very important. Government has also proposed to rationalize the functioning of tribunals. These things will help for minimum government and maximum governance. So this is the new initiative by governments. Please remember the facts. The next question is, in the Union Budget 2021-22, multi-purpose Seaweed Park has been proposed in which of the following state? The answer is Tamil Nadu. In the budget, government has proposed a multi-purpose seaweed park in Tamil Nadu. It will promote seaweed cultivation in this region. 5 fishing harbors have been announced at Kochi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip and Petua Ghat. These regions will be developed and this will improve the economic activity. Government has enhanced the rural infrastructure development from 30,000 crore to 40,000 crore. Micro irrigation fund corpus has been improved from 5,000 to 10,000. It has been set up under NABARD. Earlier their corpus was 5,000. Now the total corpus is 10,000. Please remember this figure. It can be asked in your examination. These are very important initiatives for agriculture and allied sectors. The next question is, in the Union Budget 2021-22, how much money has been allocated to Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? The answer is 1.18 lakh crores. In the Union Budget 2021-22, for augmentation of road infrastructure, government has given 1.18 lakh crore to Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and under this 1.08 lakh crore has been given as capital expenditure. It is highest ever for Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Under Bharatmala Pariyojana, so far total 13,000 kilometers of road at the cost of 3.3 lakh crore has been awarded. So far 3,800 kilometer road has been constructed, and by March 2022 another 8,500 kilometer will be awarded. Advanced traffic management system with speed radars, variable messaging signal board, GPS enabled recovery vans will be installed in all 4 and 6 lane highways. So these are the initiatives related to road infrastructure. This is very important for your upcoming examination.